close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We just ordered some food. Tacos, chicken tacos. I want toast and I want a bagel. Both. They're really cute. So cute. They don't have any good options. Oh, Fruit Loops is a good one. Fruit Loops? The rest of them look flavorless. I wouldn't mind like this. Cocoa Crisps. Having breakfast and then going zip lining. Yeah, these are the best hash browns I've ever had. Right, Babel? You're so dark because of the light behind you. I want to set this up somewhere, but I can't. The crunch. Probably can't hear anything. It's so loud in here. So loud.
Right?
Right.
Crazy fun. Gracias, sí. If y'all don't mind, gather around the glass table for we'll just take pictures with camera.
Thank you.
Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Thank you.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
No.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Can you
First bite, Babel. Let me know how it tastes. Thank you. It's good. It smells so fishy. That can be either good or bad. Oh, really good. Really, really good? Really, really good. I wonder what this purple stuff is. Full of some yas boy.